Hey there. Are you looking to expand your real estate business and find motivated sellers? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore how to get seller leads from Craigslist to help you grow your client base and close more deals. With Craigslist being a popular platform for classifieds, it can be an untapped resource for capturing genuine seller leads. Let's dive in and uncover strategies you can use today. Step 1. Crafting effective search queries. To begin your journey on Craigslist, you need to create effective search queries. Start by navigating to the For Sale section of Craigslist and hone in on relevant categories such as real estate. Use specific keywords like For Sale by Owner, FSBO, or simply Houses for Sale, combined with your targeted location. For example, you might search FSBO, New York, to find homeowners who are selling their properties themselves. Save these searches and set up alerts to get instant notifications whenever new posts fit your criteria. Step 2. Develop a persuasive outreach strategy. Once you've identified potential leads, the next step is reaching out in a way that resonates. Craft personalized emails or messages emphasizing how you can add value to their selling process. Highlight your expertise in the local market and share any unique services you offer, such as a free market analysis. Ensure your communication is clear, friendly, and professional. Remember, your goal is not just to make a sale, but to build a relationship. Address any potential concerns the seller has and keep the focus on how you can assist them. Step 3. Leverage Craigslist posting and ads. Don't just rely on existing Craigslist posts for leads. Create your own listing to attract sellers. Compose well-crafted, informative ads detailing the benefits of working with you as a real estate agent. Use strong visuals and compelling text to capture attention. Include testimonials and success stories from previous clients to build trust. Also, try placing offers such as free consultations or market assessment services to draw interest. Regularly update your listings and monitor their performance, making adjustments as necessary to optimize results. Step 4. Consistent follow-up. Consistency is key in converting the Craigslist leads into clients. After your initial contact, follow up with prospects who show interest but have yet to commit. Use a mix of communication channels such as phone calls, emails, and even social media connections to maintain engagement. Share valuable market insights or recent property news to position yourself as a helpful resource. Strive to provide timely and relevant information that prevents potential leads from going cold. Getting seller leads from Craigslist can be a lucrative strategy for expanding your real estate business. By employing effective search tactics, crafting a compelling outreach approach, leveraging your own postings, and consistently following up, you'll increase the chances of turning those leads into solid sales. Always prioritize building a rapport and offering genuine value to set yourself apart from competitors. With these steps, you're well on your way to tapping into Craigslist's potential and enhancing your lead generation efforts. Happy selling and best of luck in finding motivated sellers.